Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech from Infant, Toddler, Youth and Car Seat Quickie. I'm here at the pump station and nursery to show you how to buckle the baby into the car seat properly in the Uppababy Aria. The handlebar has a few different positions. Anytime you're carrying the baby, it should be straight up. Anytime you are driving, the handlebar is going to be all the way forward. And anytime you're on a flat surface in stationary mode, the handlebar can be moved all the way back. Now your car seat also has newborn pads in here, and they're not necessarily newborn pads, but they're extra pads. The bottom pad here Uppababy recommends using for approximately 9 pounds, while the back pillow here, Uppababy recommends using for approximately 4 months. Now all of this is just determined on the baby's fit. So when you put the baby in the car seat, you'll decide when you're going to take it on or off. The main adjustment on the car seat is loosening and tightening the straps, and that's controlled at the front here. To pull on the front strap, everything tightens. In order to loosen, there is a gray button underneath this gray cloth here. You're going to push it down, make sure you feel the button push down, and then you're going to pull on the shoulder. If you pull on one side, the other side will adjust with it. As the baby gets taller, this headrest can actually raise up higher. There is a gray tab behind the headrest. If you pull it up, it unlocks it, and then you're able to move this up or down. So for a newborn, you're probably going to have it at the lowest setting, but you need to make sure that the baby's shoulder is right at or just above the strap. That's how you know that the headrest is in the right position. Before we put the baby in the car seat, you're going to want to loosen the straps all the way. You're going to move them out of the way. Grab your baby. Make sure to support the head and neck. Because the straps are loose, you're going to get their hands through. You're going to buckle up. If you're using the shoulder pads, you're going to push them all the way back. The first place you want to tighten from is actually the legs. If you pull only on the tightening strap, it only tightens the slack on top of the baby's shoulders. It's not going to tighten anything around the legs. So that's why I recommend tightening the legs first. Move this down. Make sure the pads are above the shoulder. And now that all the slack is on the upper part of the baby's body, when you do pull on the tightening strap, everything will tighten up all at once. The way to know this is snug enough is with 2 fingers, you're going to pinch on top of the baby's shoulder. If you can make a loop, it means it's too loose. So you're going to keep tightening. If you cannot pinch any slack above the baby's shoulders, you know you're all good. If you're worried the straps are too tight, see if one finger can still fit underneath there. As long as your finger fits, you know baby's not being squeezed or harmed in any way. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to move the chest clip all the way up. Make sure the arrows are level with the baby's armpits. And every time you put the baby in the car seat, you're going to do the same exact routine. To get them out of the car, the first thing you want to do is loosen the straps all the way. That'll make it easier to unbuckle them and get them out of the car seat. And now that the straps are loosened, you're actually back at step 1. So the next time you put them in the car seat, everything's going to be ready. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.